Okay, so to get started, I have a video clip with just a soundtrack of some non-copyright music. Now, if I want to fade the audio out and fade the audio in, it's pretty simple. Just head to the effects library at the top. Then underneath the toolbox, you'll see audio transitions. Now to fade out, you want to select crossfade 3 dB and drag that to the end of your audio clip. Once it's in, you can drag the fade out as you would like, and then if I play this back, it should fade out. Okay, so now I want to fade it in the beginning of the clip, so I'm going to take cross fade plus 3 dB and put it at the beginning of the clip. Now, if you don't get it right the first time, you can just play around with it until it actually snaps into the audio clip. Just like that, and I'm going to drag it out a bit, and then I can play this back. So go to the beginning of the clip, and then I'll play that, and it should fade. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.